Hello, it's Amanda again with the Dynamic, Prismatic, Retro Tech, Abstract, Tactile, Enhanced Decoupage Collage Guild Fire Sale. Just kidding, I just like fire. Speaking of fire, you have some time to kill? Why don't you go and talk yourself through it. Listen to some music, cut some papers, and look for all your favorite colors. Turn off your brain and just go, go, go. Who knows? But I know that when you get one of these, when you are bored and you have awkwardness to overcome, just hold it in your hand, look down, and know that there's nothing that's going to tell you anything there. You are the master of your own domain. Your eyes can be fixed, and you will not be led into a bellowing pit of not your type of shit. It's colors, nondescript images, except for one demure image from a museum. No artist, this is dead artist. I'll pay rights, whatever. It's this box I call the wannabe Invalid vocational stationery box. Because it's not the David, but he's from the same era. It's done in the blue. It's covered in the epoxy resin. This was like a cardboard before. It's got a lot of, actually, see that? There's one print that's pretty cool there, and I give Juxtaposition Magazine credit for that, but it's awesome. It's a little bit is gilded with the second wave, new age display of metallics. And this one I'm trying to get rid of as fast as possible, so I'm probably going to throw it off of a bridge later. So if you want to join me, you can catch me at the bottom. Catch it at the bottom if you want. Or give me a call. Now, I wanted to show you another every color one. And this one I love. Now, this one is very, very out of character because, one, it has this big, cheesy as heck picture. This is from a Skechers ad. And I support Skechers. I love Skechers shoes. I don't sell them. They're not paying me, although I could write an email. We'll see what happens. Let me ask my manager. This container, which is covered in the every color in very tight pieces, many, turbulent, chaotic, not. Lined in gold is gilded. It has the porcelain, or the priceless, the choice pieces. The featured image, the psychedelic fashion, the kitsch nature. In fact, this is not what, if you're into eco-consciousness, this is a straw holder. Don't we not, straws, what? Not cool, very cool. If you have them, then you want to use them and get rid of them or burn them, have a fire. I don't care what you do with this. You can look at it, you can put it up your ass for all I care. Hi. This is just for fun, but I just wanted to show you. I love this one. This one is done in the epoxy resin. It's held true for, I've had it for a year. I've cleaned it, it just goes in the kitchen, and that's what it is. So, do you like this stuff? We got the lapidary, Bella of the Infinite Sadness, the transgressionary madness of a suburban priggish tramp, the lavishness of the sinful Cabbage Patch Kids past, held on throughout time, vintage not, yellow can go to hello. Have a nice day. Enjoy.